Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIBA update for Wednesday 22 of June, and we've seen a very big parabolic sudden green pump all of a sudden. Now this one's not expected, and SHIB does what SHIB does love to do, and there's something that I just want to mention it out. And number one, I do think you are putting a continuation pattern known as a three white soldiers. These three white soldiers could be a good sign that SHIB might be interested to still make another parabolic move and continue to go to the upside. So what I'm going to do is try to make technical analysis in such a way that we get all the points. So number one is three white soldiers, and let's actually get this out of the way first of all so that we can get it clearly done. This image will be really nice. So here we are, three green candles back to back. And these three green candles, you can see on a 4-hour time frame, you have them back to back. Now there could be a little bit of retracement, but if you ever come below 823 and you start to close below this blue line right now, then number one, you're gonna actually take out the lowest part of the three white soldiers, which is negative, which is not gonna be good. Number two, you're gonna go below this inverse head and shoulder, and that's actually not quite good. Okay, you're gonna go below the inverse head and shoulders, and you're gonna be looking to actually continue on and move to the downside as well. Now the technical target I actually mentioned here was to 952, but it actually got overextended. I'm pretty sure it's really overbought right now, so there could be some interest of a correction to go to the downside, especially after you've moved very higher. Now this correction actually does come to the 15 minutes, and I'm going to show you a pattern that is actually quite negative and not really quite positive. So this is known as head and shoulder. This is going to be your left shoulder, you have your head there, and you have your right shoulder. So again, back to Google right there, and we're gonna write in here head and shoulders pattern. Boom. Do you see that? So right now, when you see something like this, that actually means that you're gonna fall to the downside. So here we are, and this is the neckline that I'm looking forward to. You really haven't you did break the neckline here. So what you did, I'm gonna tell you, I'm just gonna tell you in a second. All you did is you went to the downside, and you're now coming back for the retest, and you might be looking for the kiss of death to go to the downside out of this head and shoulders. The next technical target, guys, is gonna be from the top here to the bottom, and you're looking for SHIB to come down all the way to nearly this price level, which is gonna be 897. So I'm just gonna mark the blue line right over there, but it still doesn't take you below 823, which is actually the lowest part of the three white soldiers. Do you understand that? So basically that means you might still come down here, retrace, and then start moving again to the upside. That's actually possible. Let's see what the EMAs and where the EMAs really are. So if I bring in the EMAs right now, the 20 EMA, probably the 20 is there. Now you do have a bullish cross of the 4-hour time frame. My take is that this could be a legit breakout, and you might even start a bull run of SHIB once again to go to the upside. But if you do come here, I do expect that this will be a retest of the EMAs. If you really hold the EMAs and bounce off this place, that could be an amazing sign that SHIB is actually interested to make a bull run and then start to go to the upside. Okay, so you're gonna have to keep that in mind as well. Now let me remove all the drawings here, and I want to dive into the monthly, because the monthly is the most interesting pattern right now. Now do not get yourself excited anytime soon. Do not get so excited. I'm just gonna tell you that. The reason why I'm telling you not to get too much excited is because of the following, and the following is the monthly bear flag is still in play. This one, okay? And you still have a technical target pending for SHIB to go to 400. Yes, 400. So if I take this like this, and I show you this monthly bear flag, you still are coming down to 469, which tells me one thing. If you're still gonna come down all the way to 469, then the only thing that they did, the market makers and the people who are controlling the market, is they actually pushed the prices this far to the upside so that they can take it to the downside, because there is a saying in crypto, when they want to push, when the prices are supposed to be dumped, they actually pump it first. But why do they even pump it? You see, it all comes to psychology. It all comes down to mind reading, and that's if I try to do the mind reading, then it only means that when you pump something, people get interested. And I'm pretty sure that even this video, you're gonna watch it because you're gonna feel like, oh yeah, SHIB is actually pumping, going to the upside. Can I be wrong? Yeah, potentially I could be wrong, but I'm gonna release the updates. But this is just my own comment about this move to the upside. Sometimes you just gotta be careful, because when this one happened, I had trust on it, and I was giving technical analysis when we were down here that we were gonna go up there. Okay, so when I see something legit is really there, because this one was reversal. This is not reversal, this is still continuation pattern, and that continuation pattern is 3 black crows. If you don't know that, let me actually show you if you're new, so that you can get the concept. So 3 black crows, okay, this is a continuation pattern, and let me show you how they look like. So this is like a continuation pattern to the downside. One example in real life is that you can already see here, one candle, red candle, red candle, and then it continues to go to the downside. Okay, so this one was something of a reversal, but this one is different. This is a continuation to go down. It means it's going to continue to go down. One proof I can give you is this one. Do you see that? 3 black crows, and then you continue to go down. Do you see that? So that's the proof there, and you're still continuing on to put this one. But this is the monthly time frame, and if you look at the right side of your screen here, you have 9 more days to start a new month. July is going to start in the next 9 days, so you still have 9 more days to close the monthly, and then you're going to get the whole answer and the whole idea of what's going to happen next for SHIB. So to me, guys, I'm not going to get excited anytime soon until we don't close the monthly time frame. If somehow you close the monthly time frame until 1200, let's say you do come up here to the 1200, I will be a little bit, on the favor of a reversal to go to the upside. Then basically you're going to actually be in a very good position. What I mean to say in simple words, it's all about closing this monthly candlestick, this one right here, in the next coming 9 days. Because if you start to dump all the way even down here to 803, then you're still successful putting in another bearish continuation pattern. And as a matter of fact, to be honest with you, if you really need a proper uptrend to go probably to 8747 and even higher to the 20,000 levels and kill the zeros, you really need to come up and beat the bear flag, come up to 4,723, and that's where, for me, guys, officially you're gonna see the bull run really starting and picking up for SHIB completely. Because once you do that, you don't have any reason to go down, but for now you do have all the reasons to go down. So keep in mind, SHIB has a head and shoulder, has a monthly bear flag and a monthly potential 3 black crows. And if you're interested in our signals as well, guys, do check out the signals. I still have like 8 more days to close the signals, and after that, it's a whole entry for July as well. So do check it out if you like the analysis, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.